Yet another video on how to attach your Surface Pen to your Microsoft Surface Duo. Now, this will work with both a Duo 2 and a Duo 1. Welcome to the video. If you're new here, I welcome you, and I hope that we earn your subscription today. So I'm going to show you using metal tape this time how to attach your Microsoft Surface Pen to your Microsoft Surface Duo. In my case, here I am using a case that is the OtterBox riveter case. So my magnetic tape is attaching there. I like this option the best because it does not interfere at all with the compass. Now, the magnets are phenomenally strong and do a great job, but I'm finding it difficult to be able to eliminate interference with the compass. Now, if you don't need a compass, then that's probably the best option. All right, well, let's take a quick look at what we got, and then we'll come back and finish it up. Here it is. This is the Gauter metal tape. And I'll just let you see what you've got here. Hopefully you can see that. This is the metal side, which has a protective film on it. And this is the foam side, which has the sticky tape part on it. Is approximately 10 millimeters, a little less than 10 millimeters. So I cut two pieces, approximately 10 millimeters. So 20 millimeters off of that big roll. That's not a big roll. But it works, I'd say, relatively well. Not as powerful as the magnets. However, you will not have issue with interference on your compass. I can't lift it off the ground, but it attaches relatively well. I'm not going to go crazy. I can shake hard enough and make it come off, but there we go. I'll talk about it. Okay. Hopefully you found that helpful. As you can see, it's not a bad option at all. It's white. You can use some kind of, hopefully, permanent marker and make it black if you would like. I'm going to look into that. Maybe. Just depends. So other than that, it seems to do a pretty good job. So this is what I'm finishing with. Okay, if you found it helpful or informative or good or whatever, give me some thumbs up, give us some likes, subscriptions, subscribe, people. Give us that. Comments. Tell me what you're doing, what you think. If you got any questions. And last, thanks for coming to watch the video.